Hey my lovely friends, it's Wenkai here and welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we will talk about how I organize my lecture notes. For the past few years, I have tried so many methods to organize my notes more efficiently. I'm pretty sure those methods might work really well for some of you guys, but it just didn't work really well for me. Here's the outline for today's video. I will break down the whole process of organizing my notes from start to finish, and I hope this method could inspire you to perhaps try different ways to see which method works the best for you. Without further ado, let's get right into it. It's probably not a popular opinion, but I would try my best to not take notes during the lecture. Well, before you start to say, what's wrong with you, Wenkai? Please let me explain. Especially for the mathematical or theoretical type of course, I would rather spend the whole lecture times learning how professor or teachers explain each theory or concept than simply taking notes that you don't even know what are those meant. What I'm trying to say is there's no point for you to taking notes if you don't even know what are those method or concept meant in the first place. So that's why it's important for you to understand the content first before you move on to organize your notes. I will also ask my professors or teachers any questions regarding the lecture's materials after each class, just to make sure I understand those material correctly. I have learned this method from my econ professor, Dr. Sharaf from University of Alberta. If you also study at UFA, be sure to check out his courses. He's awesome. After the class, I would start organizing my notes as soon as possible. Based on the forgetting curve concept, we tend to forget the majority of new information if we don't spend time to record that information within 24 hours. For me, I would try my best to revisit all the lecture notes within the range of 20 minutes to an hour after I finish the lecture. Instead of copy and paste all the lecture slides into my notebook, I would try my best to trim down all the notes as much as possible. I will remove all the filler words or unnecessary contents on the slides and organize my notes exactly like how I interpreted each slide during the lecture. After this process, I would create a mind map for the whole lecture or chapter. This is an excellent method to give yourself a good understanding of how each concept is connected. Last but not least, I would create what I call Q bank for the whole lectures or the whole chapter. I basically just split all the concept from my lecture notes into this. On the right side are my organized lecture notes, and the left side, on the other hand, is the cue, such as the name of the concept or the name of the experiment. When you revisit your notes, you can simply cover the right side of your notes, just look at the cues and see if you can remember all the material. I will also highlight the cues just to indicate how well I'm able to remember those material. Green is 90%, yellow is 80%, and orange is 70%. You can also use different stickers if you're handwriting your notes. Before I end this video, I just want to take a quick moment to thank you all of your support. Thank you for joining this journey of self-development with me. I want it to become a community, bigger than just video itself. I want you guys supporting each other if you guys have any trouble, and comment down below if you have any questions. And if some of you guys saw the comments, you can also comment down, just answer the question if you know the answer. If you have any suggestions regarding the video content, please comment down below and let me know. Yep, so that's it for today's video, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.